Namaste, welcome to Karateki's Astro channel. Today's topic is Lagna Lord, the leader of Kundali. So, we will understand what is this mean actually. Before this, we will understand what is Lagna. Lagna is nothing but ascendant in English. Then it is typically again a technical word of astrology. What is this ascendant? Ascendant is the body of that particular person. Lagna means here the body of that particular person. In Sanskrit, we will call this as Tanu Bhava. Tanu means body. So here I said that Lagna Lord, the leader of Kundali. It is think that we are traveling in a train and you have a AC coach, you have first class, second class, third class and a sleeper. But to pull all these coaches, we need a strong engine. We need an engine first. And that if that engine is strong, then it can able to pull multiple bogies or multiple coaches. If that particular engine is not strong, then it may not able to pull the coaches. So it is in the same way. If your Lagna Lord is strong, then it can pull or it will overcome all the hurdles in the life. If the Lagna Lord weak, then it will be other way around. Then what is this Lagna? As I said, it's a Tanubhava, it is body and all. We know that there are 12 zodiac signs, starting from Mesha to Meena, Aries to Pisces. Similarly, there are 12 Lagnas also, with the same zodiac sign names. But the difference is, these Lagna lords, each Lagna, I can say that each Lagna, that is 12 Lagnas, will take 2 hours to move from one Lagna to another. Which means what? In a day, you will be having 12 Lagnas. Simple to understand. In a day, you will have 12 Lagnas. 12 into 2 hours, which is what? 24 hours. We all know that there are 24 hours in a day. So 12 Lagnas into 2, each Lagna will constitute 2 hours. So which will come to what? 24 hours. This is a simple mathematics. Now I said Lagna Lord is the leader of the Kundali. Which means what? Whether your leader is strong, your Lagna is strong or weak, how to decide, how to judge. We all know that you take any leader, maybe it's a leader of country, leader of state, leader of a company, leader of a team or any leader. Okay, if leader is strong, he or she can overcome all the obstacles and face any type of situation, can make the decision. Okay, a leader will always makes the decisions, okay, and take certain judgmental calls. A leader will be dynamic. So leader is a big term. It's a vast subject. So here, a leader is a leader, whereas other people follows him. Similarly, Lagna Lord is a leader of our Kundali. A Lagna is a leader of our Kundali. Whereas the rest of the planets or rest of the houses follows the Lagna. I am drawing a small horoscope here, an example horoscope. I already said that there are 12 Lagnas, Mesha to Meena. In English it is Aries to Pisces. You open any particular horoscope, this is the first house. I am not talking about moon here, all these days we spoke about moon. Moon is different from Lagna. Okay, this is the first house. At the time when you have taken the birth, on the date, on the time, based on that, Lagna will be decided. Think that based on your Lagna, based on your time birth, date of birth, place, latitude, longitude, so your Lagna is determined as 3 here. So 1 is what? Mesha, 2 is Vrishabha, like that, 3 is Mithuna. Third zodiac sign. Third zodiac sign is Mithuna. So on the particular time, okay, your Lagna is falling under Mithuna. Think that it is a Mithuna Lagna. So rest of the numbers will follow. That means what? Rest of the 11 numbers will follow here, starting from the ascending. Starting from ascending. That is what? Starting from your Lagna order. In ascending order. This is the ascending order. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. This is how your Kundali will be drawn. Based on the date of birth and time of birth and place of birth. So now think that based on time of birth, your Lagna Lord is 3. Remember friends, you can have any number here based on your date of birth and time of birth. You can have 1, you can have 2, you can have 3, like that you can have 10, 11, 12. You can have any number here. So I am taking example that it is a 3. For each of these zodiac signs, there will be a Lord. So like for Mesha, it is Kuja, that is what? Mars. For Vrishabha, it is Venus, that is Shukra. For Mithuna, it is Buddha. Buddha is what? Mercury. Friends, I am just taking example here. So the moment I write 3 here, your leader is Mercury. If I write here 1, your leader is Mars. If I write 2, your leader is Venus. If I write 4 here, that means what? Your leader is Moon. As I said, each of these 12 houses has one Lord. Whosoever comes and sits here, that particular Lord will be your leader. That means what? Here in this case, a person born under Mithuna Lagna will be a Mercury man. Mercury is leader. Now, when our leader is strong, leader can be a strong leader, leader can be a weak leader also. But leader is leader, whether he is strong or weak. Whenever your leader sits in in first house, in fourth house, in 7th house and in 10th house, either of these houses, either 1 or 4 or 7 or 10, then your leader will be a strong leader. That means what? You have a strong horoscope, we can say. You have a strong Lagna Lord. Okay, you can be an extraordinary man. That particular person can turn from ordinary to extraordinary man. We have seen people taking birth in a very poor to poor family and becoming extreme rich, whose Lagna Lord are strong. But that is not only the combination. But definitely whenever Lagna Lord sits in 1, 4, 7, 10, then Lagna Lord will be super strong. So here, 1 is what? This. Because whatever the number I write it here, whatever the number you see here, that will be your 1. Which can be 12. If I write 12 also, then that will be your 1. If I write 2, that will be your 1. Now I have written as example 3. Which means what? This is 1. So, this is your first place. 2, 3, 4. So, this is 4th. The other strong place for Lagna, and this is 7th. 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 10th. Which means what? If Mercury, I said that Mithuna Lord is Mercury, Buddha. If Mercury sits here in the Lagna itself, or in the 4th house, or in the 7th house, or in the 10th house, then Mercury is strong. Mercury is strong means what? Here your Lagna Lord is strong. Rather than Mercury is strong, I can say that your Lagna Lord is strong. You have that extra energy, you will be having the leadership qualities, you will be having that extra strength, you will be having that extra luck. You can make decisions, you can be an independent person, you can take a judgmental calls, which makes you which will makes you an extraordinary person. Okay, clearly we can see the Lagna Lord located in either 1, 4, 7, 10 will be definitely a strong people as compared to Lagna Lord sitting in any other place in the horoscope. So, whenever Lagna Lord sits in 1 or in 4 or in 7 or 10, then that particular horoscope is strong. In what all way that is strong, we will understand in the next episode. The other strong place for Lagna Lord, the second, this is the this is the first category. Second category is whenever Lagna Lord locates in 5 and 9. That means what in this horoscope, first place is Mercury. If your Lagna, that means what Lagna Lord is Mercury, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If Mercury sits in 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or if Mercury sits here or here, then your Lagna Lord is also considered as strong. So which means what? 1, 4, 7, 10, 5, 9, where in either of these places, if Lagna Lord sits, then that's a strong Lagna Lord. If Lagna Lord sits in 6, 8, 12, which means what? Same Mercury, if sits here I have written 8, this will be 6th house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 6th house, 7, 8. This is 8th house, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12th house. Which means what? If Lagna Lord is, if Mercury is located here or here or here in this example, then that is a weak horoscope. A person will be weak, a failure person, or person may not be in a position to take decision. Even if he take decision, those decisions may go wrong. So there are a lot of points to be understand here. When I say failure person means what? When you compare with these houses, means if you compare this the Lagna Lord located in 6, 8 and 12 with the Lagna Lord with 1, 4, 7, 10, then those person will be a slightly failure, going towards failure situations. So Lagna Lord if located in 1, 4, 7, 10 is good, super good. 5, 9 is good, and 6, 8, 12 is not good. In other places, say for example, there are also other places here. Now we covered 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 3 more houses. Like there is a second house as well, there is a third house as well, and there is 11th house also. That means what here? 1, 2, 3. If Lagna Lord is located in 2, 3 and 11, then Lagna Lord is a moderate strong. It is neither extremely good nor it is weak. So I have taken this particular topic here because Lagna Lord drives the horoscope, drives the Kundali. We will be seeing few persons taking birth in a very poor family and becoming extreme rich. We also seen the vice versa situation. People taking birth in very rich family but becoming poor. It is not only question of poor or rich. We will be seeing few people will look so young, charming even at the age of 60. And we also have seen few people looking old, okay, even at the age of 40, 45. Which means what? The Lagna Lord impacts your health, your wealth. If it is very well located, it will give everything. Health, wealth, luck, money, everything. Landed properties, which will, and all the material comforts in this world. Similarly, if Lagna Lord is located in 6, 8, 12, then it will demolishes everything. So we will understand more. Okay, like what if Lagna Lord is located in Lagna itself, that is first house, and what if it is located in 4th, what if it is located in 7, and what if it is located in 10th, and so on. Okay, and what if Lagna Lord is located in 6, 8, 12, and what if Lagna Lord is located in 2, 3, 11 in coming episodes. So I have chosen this particular topic because in the astrology it is all about Lagna Lord. Lagna Lord is our leader of the Kundali. We can say Lagna Lord is a hero of a particular movie. A Lagna Lord is a driver. A Lagna Lord is an engine of a train. So Lagna Lord is compared with all of these particular topics. So we will understand more on the Lagna Lord. I hope this is a useful. You can open the Kundali and check where your Lagna Lord is located. Okay, and we will continue to discuss more on Lagna Lord in coming episodes. Thank you. Namaste.